Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep and welcome to a brand new set of tips and tricks videos featuring the brand new Xiaomi 15 Ultra, in which I'll take you through the various settings and optimizations you can do to get the most out of your brand new camera phone. Let's get this started. One of my favorite modes on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the fast shot mode. Now this is something that you can actually access in an instant by just double clicking the volume down button. It will actually launch the camera and take a shot within a fraction of a second, ensuring that all those beautiful photography moments are captured perfectly in style. Now the benefit to this mode is also the fact that you can preset your preferred focal length, you can preset your preferred exposure compensation, as well as the various color modes to ensure that each time you capture the photo, it's in your favorite setting. I personally am someone who likes to shoot street photography. I choose 35mm or sometimes even 135mm as a preset. I also like to maybe have a bit more contrast, so I set it to minus 0.7 EV. I also love the overall black and white look, so I preset it to that, and then all I need to do is just double press the volume button, and at any given point of time it automatically locks focus and captures the shot in just an instant. It's that fast and is as fast as any smartphone out there. In fact, it can even be faster than several other dedicated cameras out there in ensuring that you get that magic shot. So here are a couple of samples that I took with the fast shot mode, and look at how dramatic and how beautiful the output is. In the upcoming videos, we'll also be talking about the various settings that you can use for the optimal output from the Xiaomi 15 Ultra.
Xiaomi.